Do you need help with water damage? Don't delay. Don't select the wrong company, or else you could experience mold and structural damage. Call us today for a free consultation and estimate. With 17 years experience, we are your best choice. We provide the personal touch and have emergency service available 24/7. We will arrive in less than an hour, and we work directly with your insurance company. We handle everything for you, whether it's home, commercial, or industrial. We have the best service, the best equipment, and the best experience. Get in touch today.